Hello guys, today is 18th August. I want to show you how my Goldie Razor versions are working. As you can see right now I have version 2.8.8. It is so far $112. Let me show you the trades for today. Not so many, but as you can see there are quite good. It is 141 right now, but I have drawdown right now. It is 24. Let me show you also the trades. 33 trades, 85% win rate. If I am switching to Goldie Razor 2.8.5, let's see today, $107, but also here I have right now an active trade, and the total is $83. Now let me switch also to version 1, which you know is version 2. Today is $50. If let me show you the trades. Yes, take a look. All of them are positive. I'm trading on this one on 0.01. Let me show you also the trades for yesterday. Let's choose 17. A little bit more. Yes, $60. Again with a lot of 0.01. Right now I am running only this one, but I test also some new expert advisor. I hope they will perform quite good as these ones. Thank you very much. Bye bye.